Hey friends, and thank you for joining us today as we make slime at your very own home. To start making your very own slime, the first step that we're going to take is to make the activator solution. Now to do this, we're going to take the tube of borax or white powder and you're going to mix it with a full cup of warm water until it is fully dissolved. In the next step, you will grab a bowl, empty the glue bottle into it, and add the desired amount of food coloring from the other mini tube that's in the kit. Now, keep in mind that for this step, you can either use the whole bottle of glue, or you can also water down the glue to make more slime, right? If you decide to do this, you can go with a 1:1 ratio of glue. In the third step, you'll grab the stir stick and mix the glue and the coloring that you added into it until you get the desired coloration of your slime. So you can add the whole bottle of coloring, or you could add just a couple of drops. You will slowly add the borax solution that you made in step 1 and slowly add it to the glue while you stir. Now I choose to use a little medicine cup or anything similar to that and scoop about 1 or 2 cups into it. You'll notice that as you add more activator to it, it'll make the slime, or the glue in this sense, activate a lot quicker. So the more borax that you add into it, the quicker, the thicker the glue will get in turning into slime. After you have mixed the glue with the coloring, gently take it out and start kneading it with your hands. You'll notice it'll be very sticky at the beginning, and as you continue to knead it with your hands, it's going to become a lot more easier to work with. Once you've completed this step, put the glue down, or excuse me, the slime down into a flat surface, let it sit for a minute, and add as much glitter as you'd like to add to your slime. After doing this, start folding the glitter gently into the slime and mix it up until your slime is thoroughly mixed with the glitter. Now you're done. You've finished up your slime. You have a very unique looking slime, and one that I might add, your parents will be really glad once you use the Ziploc bag that's provided to be able to keep it. I hope you enjoyed this exercise. Check us out next time, or check out many of the other science experiments that we have available. Have a good one.